I want to show you how to play this number line football game. So you'll need the two pieces of paper, well, this one with the instructions, and it has the football tokens. You can cut out one. And you'll need a set of dice. Now I just have my 6-sided dice here, but you could use your 12-sided dice too if you want. And that's what I put on here. You could also use one 6-sided and one 12-sided. So that'll just give you some different options of what you're multiplying together. So think of that way. If you only want to multiply up to 6, then maybe just try with the 6-sided dice for now. But if you want an extra challenge, you can go up to the 12-sided dice. I don't have a set of those with me here today, so I'm going to show you with these dice. You'll just also need a pair of scissors to cut out your football token. So you really only need one football token, but so what I would suggest you do is cut out one like this and leave the other ones on the page so that you can, if you lose this one, you'll still have other tokens to play with. Okay, so we cut out a football token, and you can share this with your partner. And if you want to, you could even cut out the football itself. My goodness, my scissors have something very sticky on them, and they don't want to cut very accurately. But this might help because this will give you kind of a point that if you cut this into a nice sharp point, then you can see what number it's pointing at as you go. So we will start at the touchdown mark here, and each player will take turns rolling the dice, and you're going to roll the dice 4 times to see if you can get a touchdown, which would be all the way across. So using the 12-sided dice is going to get you farther than using the 6-sided dice. So I'll show you how it works. One player takes their turn first. So I rolled a 3 and a 3. So 3 times 3 is 9. So I get to move to the 9. That's pointed at the 9. Now I get to roll again. So I'm going to roll 4 times. Now I got 4 times 3, so that's 12 more. Now I need to add 12 to 9. So let's see, if I'm adding 12 to 9, it's going to be 1 in the ones place because it's going to be 1 less. And I'll be, or actually here's a good way to do it. I'll go up 2 spaces to there, and then I can go up 10 from there. That's a fun way to do that. But you can see I'm at 21 there. So I'll roll again. 3 times 3 is 9, so I only get to move 9 spaces. So I'm already just 1 up from here, so I'm just going to move up to the 30-yard line here. Now I've already rolled 3 times. I'm not very far, so it would be helpful if I had. You can alter the rules a little too. If you feel like maybe if you're using 6-sided dice, it feels more fair to go 5 times. You could do that. 3 times 5, that's 15, so I'm going to go up 10 and then up 5 more. Now I didn't get a touchdown, so you might want to go a 5th time. Let's try a 5th time to see how far I can get. Oh, good, 6 times 6, so that's 36. And that's about as much as I could go at a time. So I'm going to say to go to 36, I'm going to move 10, 20, 30, and then 5, 6 more. So now I'm at 81. Now, if I haven't gotten a touchdown, so I've gone all the way through number 3 here. If you've not reached it to 100, which is the touchdown, after the 4 or 5 rolls, you can try to score a field goal by rolling doubles. Okay, so right now, if I roll doubles, I'll get 3 points. Oh, I didn't. I rolled a 5. I rolled a 5 and a 1. But I could have also thought of that, the last roll that I had, my 5th one, was doubles. It was 6s. So if I had decided that I was only going 4 turns, 4 rolls, then that last one could have counted as a field goal. But I'll take it as a 5th roll. You know, that's what I said I was going to do, so I'm going to do that. So let's see, I didn't get a touchdown and I didn't get a field goal. So I didn't get any points this turn. If I had gotten points, let's say I'd rolled doubles on that last one. If I had rolled these doubles, then I would have gotten 3 points total for that turn. So on another piece of paper, I could write a 3 to keep score. So now that my turn is over, it's the next player's turn. And so they are going to take the football token and they're going to start at their touchdown, at their 0 line. And they're going to work their way up to this one. And then when it's my turn again, when their turn's over, I get the ball back and I start at 0 again. So every turn we start at 0 and we try to get to 100 points in the turn. The game will end when one player scores 50 points. So this game works a lot better if you're using the 12-sided dice that you guys have, because you're going to get numbers like 10 or 11 or 12 that you can multiply by, and that's going to get you a lot farther than these 6-sided dice. But you play with how you feel comfortable for now, and you can alter the rules to fit what dice you're using if that feels better too. So that's just a fun game for you to practice your multiplication tables and have a good time playing that. You can play that during spring break to keep practicing those multiplication tables.